Hey y'all. So we're gonna follow the same pattern as last time though. We're gonna put one pipe cleaner in every other twist and we're gonna alternate them. So you guys can see, you know what, I think it might actually be easier to see where the twists are looking at it from the back. So for my curls, we're gonna do 10-inch cuts. So curls, what's important with curls is that you don't roll it too tight and you give it more of a burrito look than a taquita. All right, we're gonna make ourselves a little X, crunch it right in the middle, and we're gonna put one of these X into every twist tie. So I want to make sure that this actually looks nice and full before I cut 32 of them and it looks like crap. So it looks like it's going to fill out nice. So we can go ahead and continue to cut them. Go to decoexchange.com. That's how you can shop with us. All right, so 10 inches, curl it up, crisscross it, crunch it down the middle, and add them right around the ring. I will tell you that you want to make sure you're pulling this as tight as you can so that they stay nice and tight on your board. All right, so it looks nice and full. You can't tell. I mean, I can't see the frame anywhere. So that was 2 curls in every other twist. All right, so we're gonna need 8 of our 14-inch ribbon tails. All right, so we're gonna cut 8 of these. Let's prep our sign first. That way it's ready when we are. All right, let's get our ribbon added. All right. Get a good pinch. And then we're just gonna add this all the way around the outside. Then we're gonna spread our tails out. As we go around, I'm gonna chop out the extra pipe cleaners. All right, so I like the way these colors look together on here. Yeah, so I'm just going around the outside. All right. Let's create our bow next. So we're gonna start with about a 12-inch tail. We're gonna go about 7 inches. Yeah, Christine, it's the 50-yard value ribbon. The value ribbon is just a new type of canvas they're making. It doesn't feel any less than a normal canvas ribbon. I'm not sure why they call it value, but it's a really good price, so I'm not gonna correct them. Whenever I got to meet this value ribbon in the showroom, I was thinking he should be charging twice as much for it, but we're just gonna go with it. All right, let's find the top of the board right here. So now we can get our bow added, and then we'll add our sign. All right, I'm gonna trim up my tails. Now that I see how I can attach it, I'm gonna go ahead and put one more pipe cleaner at the top. All right, so I think I wanna make one more bow a little bit smaller to go right in this area to fill in. I could just add ribbon tails, but maybe I'll just add ribbon tails instead. Let's just do ribbon tails. So we need another 14 inches. We might have to add 2 sets of ribbon tails because I'm not using the 4-inch this time. So it's going to take a little bit more ribbon to do the same job. All right. So you can see where we put that 1 tail, there's still a spot right here that's empty. So we're going to do ahead and add 1 more. There's our little ladybug wreath.